Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Chemical Education. Today I will discuss about sphericity. So what is sphericity? So sphericity definition is measure of how closely an object approaches the shape of perfect sphere. Means how close the shape of that particle of a perfect sphere. Now sphericity has a dimensionless parameter that ranging from 0 to 1. If the sphericity is 0, that represent an infinitely elongated shape, and if sphericity is 1, that represents a perfect sphere. Now what is phi s? So surface area of sphere with same volume of particle, surface area of the particle. Now here it is a arbitrary shape particle. It has surface area AP and volume of the particle VP. Now if we take the same volume of the sphere, so then we can get the diameter of the sphere, and we can get from this diameter we can get the surface area of the sphere. Now if we take the ratio of surface area of the sphere with same volume with surface area of the particle, then we will get sphericity. Now how do you calculate sphericity? So step for calculating sphericity. First we have to calculate volume of the particle Vp, then surface area of the particle, that is AP, then surface area of the sphere of same volume, means Vs is equal to Vp, that is equal to As. Now we can take the ratio As, means surface area of the sphere with same volume, divided by surface area of the particle. So if we take the ratio, we will get the sphericity. So sphericity may be around 0.3 for particle used in a packed bed. So generally in the packed bed we use different shape of particle. So 0.3 particles used in the packed bed means sphericity. 0.3 is the sphericity, that type of particle used in a packed bed. And lower sphericity means larger surface area. So that's the importance, because if we need large surface area, so we must choose lower sphericity particle. I'll show you what will be the sphericity for a short cylinder. So now sphericity definition we know, surface area of sphere with same volume by surface area of the particle. Now here is that short cylinder. In that short cylinder, diameter of the particle is equal to length of the particle. So that diameter and length is given. So now we have to take means convert this cylindrical particle to the sphere, and we have to calculate what will be the diameter of the sphere. Now step for calculation of the sphericity. First we took that short cylinder, so dp is equal to lp. First we have to calculate the volume of the particle. Volume of the particle is pi r square lp. Now that rp is nothing but dp by 2. We plug this value, so we will get pi by 4 dp square lp. Now here lp is equal to dp. Now plug this lp value here, so pi by 4 dp cube. So volume of the particle means volume of the short cylinder, so that is pi by 4 dp cube. Now what will be the surface area of the particle? So surface area of the particle means cylinder, so 2 pi r p into l means 2 pi rl plus 2 pi r p square, means 2 pi r l plus r. It is like that. So that 2 pi rp lp plus rp. Now we took rp is equal to dp by 2. Now if you plug all this value, ultimately 2 pi dp by 2 dp plus dp by 2. So after doing that simplification, we will get 3 pi by 2 dp square. So surface area of the particle cylinder is 3 pi by 2 dp square. Now next step is we have to calculate the diameter of the sphere. So for sphere with same volume of the cylinder, means if we consider that diameter of the sphere or the radius of the sphere is rs, so we know the volume of the sphere is pi by 6 ds cube, and surface area of the sphere as is equal to pi 4 pi r square means rs square. So 4 pi ds by 2 whole square, so pi ds square. Now that surface, we know that surface area of the sphere of same volume Vp Vs minus Vp, then we can make one relationship. Consider, means here we are taking the short cylinder. Suppose short cylinder melt and form sphere with same volume. Now we can easily calculate what will be the diameter of the sphere. Now how do we calculate that? So sphericity, and from that we can calculate sphericity. Now here, so surface area of the sphere of same volume Vs is equal to Vp. So if we consider that that suppose short cylinder melt and form sphere with same volume, we can write, so volume of the particle Vp is equal to volume of the sphere. So volume particle we know pi by 4 dp cube, volume of sphere is Vs pi by 6 ds cube. Now from here we can do the relationship. So pi by 4 dp cube is equal to pi by 6 ds cube. So ds cube will be 6 by 4, so pi will be cancel out, then ds cube is equal to 6 by 4 dp cube. Now from here, so ds will be root cube 6 by 4 dp cube, or root cube 6 by 4 dp. So we will get the relation. So ds of here is nothing but root cube 6 by 4 dp, or we can take that 1 by 5 dp, that we will get. Now from here, after getting ds, means when we take that same volume of sphere, so we will get ds means diameter of sphere is nothing but root 3 cube 1.5 into dp. Now after getting that, so we know that surface sphericity is nothing but surface area of the sphere with same volume by surface area of the particle. Now here we know the surface area of sphere is pi ds square, and surface area of the particle is 3 pi dp square. Now we already know what is the ds. ds is nothing but root cube 6 by 4 dp. So we plug this value here, and we'll get that root cube 6 by 4 dp whole square. Now if we do the simplification, so pi 3 by root 6 4 whole square and dp square. Now dp square and dp square will be cancel out, pi will be cancel out, so 3 by 2 will be in that denominator, and numerator root cube 6 by 4 by 2. Now if I do that, so we'll get root 3 1 by 5 whole square 1.5. So now if we do simplify, we'll get that sphericity of the short cylinder is 0.87358. So phi s is nothing but sphericity of the short cylinder is 0.87358. That's it. Thank you.